Hello everyone, welcome to Trade Hotspot. Once again, we are live to trade here in the gold, NASDAQ, NQ, US 500 and US 100, whatever you called that indexes. So we are live once again. Today it's Friday and it's last day of this week. So I hope today is in green side. Will be in green side. What do you think, guys? Yesterday we captured so many two best trades on the live. So today I'm here for you, all of you guys. So let's see what are the things today we will learn from the market and how is our trading day too. So welcome all of you, my traders. So this is the gold you are watching currently the screen. I know. I hope my audio, video, everything is fine. It's fine. Yeah, it's fine. Yes, fine. Yes, it's fine. It's fine, guys. So you can see right now gold having movement, and it's you can see this 15-minute candle. It's a very huge candle. You can see this is an institutional candle here. So it's broken this level right here. Is a very strong resistance. Like from that resistance the gold comes down, moves down, but right now it's trying to break this level. Let's see what will happen. If it will break, I'll wait for retracement and I will do some scalp here in this current level. Right now there is a liquidity sweep is going on right now. Here you can see the gold is swept out this liquidity right now, and you can see the 15-minute, 5-minute candle. It's going to turn into the red, or you can see black, negative side. So I'm expecting right here there should be one rejection, and after that I can do small scalp here right in the 1-minute chart. It's a 5-minute candle. It's currently going on in 6:32 p.m. right now. It's Indian timestamp, UTC plus 5:30. So I'll wait for the liquidity sweep here. Right in the 3-minute there is a liquidity sweep, right, and we should have to go into the 1-minute chart. Right, so you can see here there is a fair value gap is creating right now gold, and this is a changing state in the 1-minute. So this can be a best entry level for sell side, right? So I'm waiting for retracement, right? Then we can do trade like that. There should be a liquidity sweep in 5-minute also. So 3-minute, in 3-minute time frame there is a liquidity sweep here. You can see we'll sweep out the liquidity of this level, and you can see this is the level, this is the resistance level right here, and after that the liquidity sweep is done here. So what I'll do, I'm waiting to retrace the gold inside this fair value gap, or you can see point of interest. Right after that I'll go for sale here with the 95 pips SL, and again I'll keep 1:2 reward. What do you think, all guys? Please tell me what do you think. And gold gives me an entry here. What do you think? Tell me. I'm interested in this tap in, right? Now it's 6:35, so 5-minute candle also turned into red, right? And it's an just retracement in the gold. So I hope I'll get the entry here for short. Yeah, our entry is done, guys. Our entry is done. This is a point of interest, and we have entered in this trade right now, and this candle itself, right? So this is our first trade here, and we have in stop loss 93 pips here, right? Against we are getting 1:2 target here exactly. So my first, you can see 50% profit booking will be here, right? This template for 50% profit booking at this level, and you can say 75% will be here, right? This will do 75% profit booking here. We are entered in the trade. This is our first trade here right now, the template, and it's a 75% profit booking. Let's see what will happen. Gold is trying to coming down here. It's nearest to our entry price here. Exactly at the top end we got the entry here. So let's see what will happen. This is a changing state. You can see in bigger time frame, you also can see the changing state here. There is no changing state in 3 minutes or 5 minutes, but it can be, right? 1 minute chart shows this is a changing state, and gold have to come down right now because this is an resistance level here, and the liquidity sweep out here, right, in 3 minutes and 5 minutes also, as you can see here, right? So because of that, we have entered in this trade. Let's see, it's nearest to our cost, and I'm very excited to see what will happen here. This is our first trade, and right now the gold is trying to move up. It can be side movement in the gold, but this is a small trade, and we have entered this trade. It's a small scalp on resistance level. Let's see, there is a rejection. You can see there is a rejection in the 1 minute chart. We are in this trade. Here will be 50% profit booking, right? This is our first trade, and I would like to be in the profit from first trade, but currently the gold is going opposite from my direction. You can see maybe it will break this level and go up. Let's see. I'm strongly waiting for stop loss here or target here, say. Oh, it's fine. Our first trade goes wrong. We are get some loss here. like it's my first trade, so no worries, we have risk appetite, and we can do more entry here, right? Let's wait. There's movement in the gold and upside. It's a small quantity and small risk, you can say, here at this level. Maybe the gold trying to sweep the liquidity of this level, and then can they come down? Let's see. So this is a level here. There is a liquidity sweep here. But exact reversal also there. There is a reversal. Because of this 15-minute candle, the gold is trying to move up. But in 15 minutes, you can see there is a liquidity sweep is going on. Gold have to come down. Now what I'll do, I'll wait for this confirmation, one more confirmation here, like this is a changing state. After that, we can enter in this trade once again for sell side. Or what we can do, we can enter at this level or buy also at the level, at this level. This is a strong support here. We shall have to wait for bigger time frame confirmation here, like changing state. We should have to wait for changing state for this trade, actually, in the bigger time frame, right? This is a resistance, and you can see gold is trying to face rejection here at this level, right? So let's see. This is a changing state, and maybe it will happen. Let's see, guys. I'm waiting here for changing state. There should be a strong confirmation in the bigger time frame, 3 minutes or 5 minutes, for scalping. Now you can see the gold is trying to move down. After taking my SL here, right? It is just above this level, right? I can keep here also, but there is no sense to keep my SL here, so I put it my SL above this swing only, right? 9.3. Now the gold is trying to do changing state here. The third candle of 3 minutes, and there should be a changing state here. and strongly wait for 5-minute change in state right now, right here. So 6:45 and the New York session is going to open now after 15 minutes. So US market is going to open now. Sorry. So it can be changing state or not. Let's see. I'd like to check, is there any news or anything is there? Not now. There is a news on 6 p.m. but not now. And after that there is a news on 8 p.m. right? CB leading index. So it's fine. Now it's perfectly liquidity sweep setup and the change in state setup right here. Actually we have to wait for the setup here. Let's see, guys, what gold wants to do. There should be change in state right here. The 3-minute candle is going to close right now after 1 minute. A few seconds are left to close this candle, and this candle indicates here, right, there is a change in state in the gold, and gold wants to move down here. Change in state, and you can see there is a fair value gap created by the gold here. So our vision, our clarity is perfectly fine here, but we have not waited for confirmation here. So because of that we got few little loss here in this first trade, but it's fine. We can take more trades here, right? So in the next trade I'll try to the best profit here, right? So this is unchanged state in 3 minutes. It's confirmed. Now last 1 minute or last 2 minutes is remaining to confirm in the 5-minute time frame. So wait for the best, guys. I'm going to trade here once again. Like I would like to enter at this level here on this, like this is unchanged state in 3 minutes. Then I would like to enter at this level for sale, and this will be my stop loss. Now you can see here there is a huge stop loss, so I'll keep my quantity very low here. So this target will be same here, like 1:2 minimum. Okay, so let's here for support level also here, but daily chart says like gold have to come down. It's come down. It's liquidity of yesterday low. Now there is a point here at this level. Gold will try to come a continuation. This is a continuation, right, or downtrend. And in 1 hour time frame also you can see here there is a resistance, there is a retracement here. Every buyer is trapped here and gold trying to move down now, right now. So I'm strongly waiting here, like a 5-minute time frame also confirmed like this is unchanging state, right? Let's see, guys. Now there should be an entry here on this point. The previous trade, this is a 50% profit booking done here, right? If we was in the trade, then definitely we will get profit here, right? What gold does, like it leaves without liquidity of this level and then come down. The first test here, right? We should have to wait for the second test, retest. You can see and 75% profit also booked here by the gold. A previous trade I'm telling about, and this trade was like that. You can see now gold is taking some retracement and trying to, and it will try to move down, right? Let's see. My entry point is here, my entry level is here in this area. Once again I'll enter in this trade and then so it's taking time to go up, so I'm thinking like here there will be confirmation here in the 15 minutes, like there will be a liquidity sweep here, and this is a point of interest area for the gold. You can see the FVG USD gap is created at this level, and gold is trying to retrace from this area here, and this is on support like we have marked previously. So I'm waiting here for 15-minute candle confirmation, right? And there should be liquidity sweep here, right? Let's see, guys. There's a liquidity sweep in 1 minute. 3-minute pattern chart also there is a liquidity sweep, but I'm strongly waiting for 15-minute chart. Okay, if I take long position here at this level, then what will happen? With a small SL here, and again this we can get 1:2 reward, right? Just wait for 15-minute confirmation. There should be liquidity sweep in the 15-minute time frame. After that we can definitely go for long here, right? Just wait for 15-minute confirmation. I want 15-minute confirmation, like there should be a liquidity sweep in the 15-minute chart. This is unchanging state in 1 minute, so what we'll do, we can enter in this trade here, right? Just I need some priority. Let's go. I'm entering this trade right here, so this will be my stop loss. And here is a 1:2 risk reward ratio. There is no confirmation here in 15-minute time frame, but this is a small quantity here I'm taking. It is you guys can wait for 15-minute confirmation here, right? There should be liquidity sweep in the 15-minute chart, as per my point of view. And you can go after this change in state in 1 minute. What I'll do, I'll cancel this trade here and the cost, and after that as you can enter. It's fine, guys, it's fine. I'm not going to cancel because there should be a movement on upside here. I'm looking towards this candle. Now it's time of US market opening time, and I'm very interested in this point, right? Okay, it's maybe. Nope. But there is no confirmation here. You can see in 15 minutes. There is a confirmation in 5 minutes, but there is no confirmation in the 15-minute chart. It's fine. Here is a liquidity sweep, you can see, and we have kept our stop loss at below this level, like below this resistance, below this support level, right? So it's fine. It's perfectly fine. You can see there is a rejection in the gold, and this is not a changing state right now. Looking this candle, maybe there will be liquidity sweep in 15 minutes, or maybe not. So there is an consolidation here in 1 minute chart. You can see so many candles are forming here on this area. Let's wait for base, guys. Let's wait for base. There is a rejection from top side here, right? So this is an consolidation. What I'll do, I'll remove this entry here, right? I don't like to be in a consolidation zone, so I'm removing this trade here, right? I like to wait for based confirmation here. So I remove my trade here at CTC. Why? Because this is a consolidation right here. You can see this is a consolidation. There is no confirmation of any direction here. So I'm waiting here for confirmation, like there should be liquidity sweep here, or there should be a strong move on downside, like on this support level, you can say. Okay, guys, so wait for confirmation, right? And I'm waiting for confirmation here. There should be a confirmation in 15-minute chart. There is a confirmation 5 minutes, but I'm not sure. You can see by after taking our SL here, the gold is started move down. So now it can be a liquidity sweep here, right? Why it's not showing here in 15 minutes? Yeah, now it's showing. This is an liquidity sweep, right? Now I'm waiting for to close this 15-minute candle at any one side here. Okay, this is a point of interest area. I know, like you guys also know, and we can think for buy at this area because it's an support level also, right? So this is a liquidity sweep right now in 15-minute chart. So there is 7p1, 7:15. There more 9 minutes are left to close this candle. After that we will enter in this trade. Okay, after that we will enter in this trade. So currently I'm waiting for confirmation only. You can see previous candle low is taken by this candle here, right? And it's trying to close below this low of previous candle. So it's a liquidity sweep. And this is a strong confirmation here. Let's see. This candle should have to close above this level, right? Above this, below this, or above this low, you can say. So wait for the base trade here, right? It will give opportunity once again to enter in the trade. Now you can see, guys, this is the trade we have entered here, right? At this level, exactly on tap in of this FVG right here at I would like to marking out here once again for you all guys, like what I'm thinking here and how the goal is taken out our SL right now here, right? And we have our 1:2 risk reward is here at this level, right? Yeah, right here only, just below this. And as you know, we are booking our profit here, right? This is an 50% profit booking level, right? And after that mark, you can check out once again, this is an 75% profit booking level. Have market mark exactly on this level, right? So it's nearest to our 75% profit booking level right now. So how is the logic kicks work, as you've seen, guys, right? But what happened, we have protected this swing, but gold stripped out the liquidity of this level and when then come down. It's a small trade, it's small quantity, and it's just scalp. So again, I'm waiting here for liquidity sweep, right? And there should be a change in state in 3 minutes or 5 minutes, right? 3 minute change in state is here at this point. I can see gold is swept out liquidity at this level. This is a support zone, right? And very big point of interest right here, like it's a 15-minute point of interest. So it's trying to give breakout here, right, of changing state level. Let's see. So this is on 15-minute chart. And perfect liquidity sweep here. Only 4 minutes are remaining to close the 15-minute candle, and if it will close like that, then there is a liquidity sweep in the 15-minute. There is a confirmation in 15-minute also. So this is the main move here, right? This is the main move. Only 3 minutes are left here to confirm the liquidity sweep in 15-minute chart. This is an point of interest, right here. There is an order block here. There is a fair value gap here created by gold. But there is no confirmation now in 15 minutes. There should be a changing stage here, and there should be a liquidity sweep here. Last 2 minutes are remaining to close the 15-minute candle right now, and I want liquidity sweep here. A liquidity sweep candle I want right now here. Then and then only we can go for long at this point of interest. I think gold is trying to take over this profit here. Okay, it's perfectly fine. Like after hitting my SL, the gold is coming down to hit my 75% profit level here, right? It's perfectly fine. Sometimes this happen, guys. You are not always correct, right? So you should have your protect your SL strongly. There should be room in the SL above the swing, right? You just sweep out your liquidity and then comes down to target level. You can see, guys. What do you think, guys? Now it's 7:15 and no, there is no confirmation in the 15-minute time frame. I'm strongly waited for liquidity sweep here, but there is no liquidity. So this is a strong resistance area where the market is come down, and right now also we can see here the market is coming down from this level. So this is an base trade here, right? This is the base trade here we have. Like it's achieving our 75% target here. Now this is the support level, right? As you can see. This is exactly 1 minute fair value gap tapping. You can see here. So 1 minute fair value gap tapping. It's all our order block area here in 15 minutes, right? You can see, guys, the previous trade target is going to achieve right now. Oh my god, it's came to our target area, guys. Oh my god, it's achieved our target. Why it's shipped out our liquidity here, right? I don't know, like, why. You can see it just above our target level here, right? We just have to wait for the confirmation at this level only. This is the one mistake here we have done. Otherwise we will get all this profit here, right here. No issues, guys. I'm strongly waiting for another opportunity here in the gold. this is on support level right here, so I'll wait for this level. We can take a small quantity here. This trade is like that only. This will be a liquidity sweep right now. I'm bringing some water. I hope this will be a liquidity sweep right now. This is a liquidity sweep in 1 hour chart, you can see, guys, right? This is a downtrend, and how this is a just retracement, and after that the goal is move down. So I should have wait at this level for liquidity sweep here in 15-minute chart, and after that 15-minute chart there is a liquidity sweep at this point, and 6:45 p.m. It's a 6:45, yes, right here, 6:45 p.m. I have to enter into the trade by keeping the SL here and target of this level. Time chart also. There is a liquidity sweep, right? In 5-minute chart also there is a liquidity sweep, and this is an order block. I have to enter here and set target here. No worries, we will get another trade here, right? So this can be a liquidity sweep here in 15-minute chart. Let's see. Till that, I'll check the NASDAQ. What NASDAQ is doing right now. Daily time frame, you can see daily bias is upside, so we will get trade in NASDAQ also here. I just have to check the right proper level here, right? So this is entry point here, right? Actually, this is a 15-minute liquidity sweep right here, and after that there is a change in state here right now, and I have to enter in this area, right? After this liquidity sweep, we can enter in this right here by keeping the ESL here, and target will be 1:2. It's achieving here, right? So it's perfectly fine. There is a high pending. Yesterday high is pending in the NASDAQ, you can see in NS100, and you can see there is a change in state in the 15-minute right now. So what you can do, guys, go to 1-minute chart. But we have to enter in this level only, right here or right here. Now there is no movement, as you can see, guys. So I'm strongly waiting for gold here. So this is our first trade, and I'm waiting for another best. Gold is moving down. And you can see 100% profit is achieved here at this candle. Just one mistake, guys. We have entered at perfect level. You can say this is on perfect level, right? Well, the thing is that we have to wait for confirmation right here. Otherwise, this all target or this all profit is on pocket. Now there is no use of this fair value gap here in 15-minute chart, because gold is coming to the order block area right now. Slowly gold is coming down. Now this is the target here, right? This is the target. There will be some retracement from this level, and then the gold can be moved down, right? To check out this level, right? This level. Check out this level. If gold not respect to this level, then definitely it will respect to this level. Right, this is also in support. The strong downside move in the gold. So what I'll do, I'll enter here one more, like if I'm waiting for confirmation at this level, I'll check the liquidity sweep here and I will enter in this trade. Oh my god, you can see guys, I'm not able to share you the screen, but this why I don't know, I have not put a stop loss at this level. Oh my god. So this is the profit right now. Wow, this is this is all my profit, guys. It's my luck. Like I'm thinking to set the stop loss here, right? I'm thinking on this by checking the screen, like my stop loss is gone, but my stop loss is not here. I'm forgot to put the stop loss here, so it's perfectly fine. This trade is mine right now, so my stop loss will be here, right? Oh my god, how is this possible, right? I'm not doing such things. I'm very patient. But I don't know how. I forgot to keep my stop loss here, right? I just keep my target 75% and 55% target booking level. I just keep here, and after that I forgot to set the top stop loss here. And I'm very happy, like I'm getting this all the target, but it is not the right way. Okay guys, you have to confirm your SL and everything, right? Now it's my luck to like gold is come down towards my target after this liquidity sweep, but if it will go upside, then it can be exhaust of my all the fund, right, which are in my account. I'm very lucky, like gold is always gives me profit. Why I don't know, but always gold give me a profit. And here, like my logic is very correct. Right here you can see, guys, this is the perfect logic, this is a perfect trade. The only thing is we have to wait actually for the confirmation, one more confirmation in this trade for changing state here in 3 minutes or 5 minutes actually. And this is the confirmation here. After that we can take trade at this level, right, with this on this fair value gap right here, and here will be our entry of this trade, and we can set our target or stop loss below this, like here, this support area. But I've not waited here for confirmation. I have take confirmation of 1 minute here, and after, like here there is a change in state, right, and I've entered on this fair value gap right here. And like I'm thinking my stop loss is here only, but I forgot to add the stop loss, and I thinking like my stop loss is done here, and it's a magic actually. I forgot to set the stop loss here, and I'm getting this all the profit here. It's 100% profit, and 50% already booked, 75% already setted. Just I setted my 3 targets here, like first target is like here, and 50% here, 75% is here only, and I got this profit. So today I'm in profit right now. It's very fine. I'm very lucky right now. But only I would like to say you, like, don't do that this like that. You have to confirm, right, like you are setting your profit levels and target levels, as well as your stop loss level also. Like stop loss you have to always put after you are getting into the trade, and this is the perfect and best practice, like keeping the stop loss after you enter into the trade, right? So be careful, guys. I got the profit, but everyone not. Now gold is moving down, right? You can see, you can check the 1 hour or 15-minute time frame. Gold is given change in state here, right, at this level by 1 2 3 4 candle, and it's 15-minute bigger time frame, so it's fine. Now it's changing state. Now gold will try to come down more here, and by looking towards 4-hour chart, you can see this is an downtrend here, right? And this is a retracement only. This is an retracement only. So after that, gold can continue this trend here, like this trend I'm telling about. This is a very, very huge trend, downtrend, so it can be continuation. So wait for the best confirmation, guys, here. Like I would like to wait here for one more retracement at smaller time frame, or we can say 5 minute, 3 minute, or 1 minute, and after that gold can break these levels, all these levels, right? So guys, you have to wait. If gold will reject from this area right now here, this is an support, you can say here there is a strong upside move came, and again gold is in on this level, right, once again. So I'm looking here for one of the rejection and one more confirmation, like change in state or FVG. So you can say point of interest, and after that I can think for long here. This is an 1 minute chart, and here you can see gold is trying to face rejection here. Only thing is there is no liquidity sweep here, so I'm waiting strongly here for liquidity sweep. It can be in 5 minutes, but I'm not interested in 5-minute liquidity sweep, because there is a liquidity sweep here also. Then also the gold is come down, right? If someone buys here, then they lose their money because it hits the stop loss here, right? Because this is not a perfect liquidity sweep here, right? So because of that, I'm always waiting for 15-minute liquidity sweep here, like that. So you can see here this is a liquidity sweep, right? So after that you can see this is a strong move in the market. Now here also you can see, so this is the liquidity sweep by this candle. After that there is a upside movement, never come down below this level, right? Now it coming down. Until that we have correct cancel, and we got the correct like best risk reward. Here also you can see this is a liquidity sweep here. No, so this is a liquidity sweep, right? You can see here This is liquidity sweep. After that, gold moves up. What is meant by liquidity sweep? I'm telling about, right? Liquidity sweep is that, like, the candle, the current candle should, if there is a liquidity sweep for downside, it means that the current candle should close above the low of previous candle. For example, you can see here, this is a candle, right? The red candle or green candle doesn't matter, just this is a candle and this is low of previous candle, this candle, right? And this low is swept out by this current candle, you can say, if market like that. So swept out here, and after that you can say the closes above the low of previous candle, and after that you can say the market is move up, right? So this is a liquidity sweep for me. I'm not looking for any swing liquidity sweep or anything like. I'm especially thinking for liquidity sweep of previous candle or current candle, you can say. I can give the name of that particular concept, current liquidity sweep, right? So this is the best concept you can use here. Like, if you got this liquidity sweep at current very strong level, then you can go for buy or selling the gold as per your entry setup, right? And the thing is, you don't have to check only liquidity sweep, you should have multiple confirmations with you. Like, there should be a change in state, there should be a order block, or there should be a fair value gap you have at this area, at this level. So it can be a double confirmation or multiple confirmation for your trading setup or your strategy, right? So these all the things you will get know here only. No one is going to tell you like how to use these concepts and how to manage your trade. And these all things you have, you are getting here only in this channel only. So you have to subscribe to this channel, you have to follow this channel, right? Because honestly, I'm giving each and every my experience of pure experience of trading. So there is a downside move here, there is a change in state, you can see already. We have seen a bigger time frame in 15-minute chart. After that there is an retracement and then up, then gold is trying to move down, but this is in support. I'm waiting for this level, right? How gold is behave here, right? How gold will behave here at this support area. So I'm waiting for that. Gold is trying to moving down, but there's a strong support here, right? As you can see on my screen, this is a support line, support level here. If is there any liquidity sweep here, just I explained like that, then definitely I'll go for small scalp here, right, for buy side, because we have that much room here. So I'm waiting for liquidity sweep here, right, or breaking this level strongly, you can say, and come to this level for strong support. This is the stronger support. This is the very stronger support than this, because this is an inducement, and sometime market will do inducement and return to the point B. This is an point A, right? This is an point A. This is an inducement, right? This is an inducement, and this is an point B here. So what I'm trying to explaining, sometimes market do inducement, like there's an inside swing, short-term swings, you can say, and sometimes market induce grab the liquidity of inside swings, or you can say the short-term swings, and it's called the inducement. So sometimes market do inducement and return back to their original level, like point B, towards the point B. So this is an point B, this is point A here, right? If market is trying to go up, so let's see. I would like to check like what market will do here. It will do inducement and it will retrace from this area, or it will come to point A to grab the liquidity of this level, and it will return from this area. I would like to check here. So this is my profit actually, right? And I got that profit. Actually thinking lots of on this trade, like how this happened, like my logic is very good, and why gold taken my stop loss here, but I forgot to set the stop loss. I don't know how. Always first of all I keep my stop loss, but this time I don't know, maybe gold wants to give me profit here, because of that maybe I forgot to set the stop loss. I set all the profit levels, but I forgot to set stop loss here, and I got the profit actually, because my logic is correct, like, and honestly my analysis is correct at this level, right? So sometimes this can be happen. This is an experience, you can say, right? No one can extract your luck, right? Your luck is always with you. If you are very honest in your life, if you are positive person, always thinking positive, then definitely your luck is always with you, guys. Not always, but sometimes it's with you. But one thing is, you have to note it down, keep in your mind, like luck is not always works. Like, don't depend on your luck. You should always work hard. And so you have to work smart. And be honest in your life. You can see this is the rejection from the support area, support level, you can see, and it's an inducement right now. I would like to check here what will happen if gold is swept out liquidity of this level. Then it's perfectly fine. It's a strong confirmation here, like gold can move up from this level. So not to this point, but definitely it will take some retracement, and we can do so small scalp here, right? Very small scalp we can do in 1 minute time frame, but for that we should have the confirmation in bigger time frame, like 15-minute time frame, and I'm especially looking for this confirmation. What do you think, guys? What's your opinion? What gold is going to do here? Tell me, all of you, those who are looking, those who are watching my stream. So this is a 15-minute chart, and I think gold wants to come to this level, right? Point A. So I'm removing this, right? There's an re-entry here, like if you're looking and trading with liquidity sweep setup, like that, like 13 or 15 pips SL, and against that you are getting 50 pips here, right, for at this level. So you can do this trade small cap here, right, but it's already skipped. But this is an inducement area, so usually don't have to take risk here. I'm not recommending anyone to do such a small scalp, right? I'm especially looking for such kind of trades, like it has 100% potential to come down, or you can say at least 70% accuracy. Now also there is a liquidity sweep in 5-minute time frame. You can see here also there is a liquidity sweep, here also there is a liquidity sweep, right, and here also liquidity sweep. But 5-minute liquidity sweep always not works, guys, and you should have to check the liquidity sweep near to the support or resistance level, right? So then and then only it can be work. Now here there is a liquidity sweep, but in 5 minutes, but you can see market closed this candle below this level, so I'm not sure like gold can move from this level. For that I should have the confirmation in bigger time frame, now 15-minute or 1 hour time frame. I should have the confirmation here, right? Then and then only we can go for a long by protecting this liquidity here, right? Not this one. Same thing we have done here. Now it's trying to sweep out the liquidity of this level. You can see this is an inducement also, and this is an order block also. Here you can see, guys, right? This is an order block area, right? So gold is trying to move up from this area. So let's see, I want the confirmation in 15-minute time frame, right? And there should be a change in state in 5 minutes or 3 minutes. Like there, here is a change in state, and here in 3 minutes there's change in state is here. But especially in this trend, I'll check the change in state of 5 minutes here, right? Before that, I'm not going to trade here. I'm clear, very clear here at this area at this point. Let's wait guys, let's wait. And let's be ready also for your next trade. Just 2 minutes are left to close the 15-minute candle here, and you can see how the 15-minute candle is. And what these all bullshits are doing. NASDAQ 100 and US of struck here, right? So we're not going to trade in this, especially to trade in the gold. Last 1 minute is left to close this candle. It can be a liquidity sweep here. Okay. Last 20 seconds are left. I'm thinking it should be a green candle, and definitely it can be. Oh my god, this is a liquidity sweep here, right? The first confirmation we got here, right? So what I'm looking now, I'm looking for change in state here. There is a no change. There is a change in state in 3 minutes, right here. There is a change in state in 3 minutes. But I would like to go for 5-minute change in state here. What we can do here, like by taking, right, this is an FVG here. What we can do like long trade here at this level by keeping stop loss here or here, like 70 pip stop loss you can put here, right? And you will get the target. So I'm entered in this trade right here right now. So here will be my entry level. How much I achieve in this trade? Like 190 pips around. Okay, let me check how much it is. Okay, it's fine. It's near about 200 pips we have achieved, right? There is a change in state here in 3 minutes, and we are here in this trade. The thing is, I have not waited for this liquidity sweep right here. Of this level liquidity sweep, so it's fine. Before that, I got the confirmation here, like there is a liquidity sweep, right? By looking towards this candle, and I have not waited for 5-minute confirmation here. So it's 3 p.m. right now, IST, and so this candle closed red. Then after that, there is a change in state here only, not here. So can be a confirmation. Let's wait for the best, guys. We have our SL here. Now this time I put it my SL first. There's a liquidity sweep in 5 minutes also. Gold is trying to move down right now. We have not waited for 5-minute confirmation here. Just only thing is that for changing state of 5-minute chart. And one more, like this is the liquidity. This can be there is a huge liquidity pending here, right? So maybe there is a chances like gold can come down to sweep out this liquidity here. Now the change in state will be like that. Here will be change in state if this candle will go into the green. Let's see, guys. one thing what we can do, like we can close this trade near to our entry point and we can wait for confirmation here, right? We can wait for confirmation, or you can wait for confirmation if you don't want to be in this trade. You can wait for confirmation here. There will be confirmation here. What I'll do, I also wait for the confirmation here, right? I'm reviewing my trade here on green side because I don't want to do gamble here, right? I would like to wait here for confirmation, guys. Above the cost, I close this trade, right? And I would like to wait for this confirmation here. There should be a confirmation in this trade. 5-minute confirmation, 5-minute change in state I want here, right? After that we can get the entry, because you can see here those who are not close this trade, they can close here, please, because here is a strong support, I know, but this is an inducement, but gold can try to come down to sweep out the liquidity of this support, like up this level, because it's near very near, very closer to this level, right now. So gold can come down to sweep out the liquidity of this level, right? For that you should have the confirmation. One confirmation you have in 15-minute chart, like this is an liquidity sweep, right? This is an inducement here, but one more confirmation we need here, like in 5-minute chart there should be a change in state here, right? And there's a change in state here only. So now also you have chance to close into this trade, like on your entry level, and you can look for the fresh entry, right? Previously we are not waited here for confirmation, and because of that like it's fine, we are not set out, right? And we got the profit here, but if it will move back like opposite direction, then we have to so because of that you have to wait here for confirmation, right, guys? So wait for confirmation. I'm also waiting for confirmation here. Just one confirmation we want here, like change in state only. Now you can see there is a this can be confirmation here. Now there is no confirmation right now here. Now this is the third candle, second candle here is going to form, and there should be confirmation in this candle, right? Otherwise gold will come down to take that level here. Every time after entering the trade, I'm clearly telling each and everyone like you have to be careful while you enter, because every trade is not correct, right? So after getting the entry, sometimes you get no like this is not a correct trade and we should have the confirmation for this trade. So before getting huge loss, you have to close this trade and look for the fresh entry. So sometimes I'm doing like that because you know how I am trading, right? I need multiple confirmations. So you should have also look for multiple confirmations and wait for the best opportunity, right? I'm always looking best opportunity on the best level, as you know. So this is when consolidation is going on here, right? So there may be chances like gold spike down and then grab the liquidity of this level and come up once again, otherwise continue to move down. If there is an retracement till the here or till that point, then here we can enter for short. What I'll remove this support level, right? We have open support level, this one. This is the support level, but this is the strong support level here. This is an inducement here. So sometimes market will return from the inducement, but always there is a 90% market respects the main swings, like grab the liquidity of main swing. So wait for the best, guys. You can see right now, right? Because of that, I came out from this trade, and I told all of you like you should have to come out from this trade by closing this trade cost to cost. You can easily give the charges. You can give small loss also to the market, but you can't choose loss to the market. It will disturb your mindset and disturb your psychology. So for that purpose, you have always should have multiple confirmation. From day one, I'm telling you like you should have multiple confirmations after taking trade or before taking trade. Like if you are able to see like there is no potential in the trade that I have entered, then you should have to close that trade, that whatever trade it will be, or whatever stop loss, whatever target have, small or long, right? If you can see the potential, if you are not able to see the potential of that trade, then it's your mistake, right? And after you know the like there is no potential in this trade, and then also you are being in this trade, then this also is your mistake. Like you have to check the potential of each and every trade, because always your psychology, your mindset is very, very important in the trading, right guys? So I saw here like there is no potential in this trade, so because of that I have came out here in this trade. Yeah, it will come down after taking after entering this in this trade. Definitely I'll give the stop loss whatever we have set it here, obviously, but you can see the market is giving the opportunity to close this trade because it don't have potential, and you got know it, then you should have to come on, right? It will secure your profit, or it will secure your fund, and next time in the next trade you can easily find the best opportunity or best things or best confirmation as per your trading setup, right? So this is an order block, this is an support level. Like see, you can see guys here, from this level only market is pull up, goes up. So I'm strongly waiting for this area right here, because you can see it's very, very near to this level, and it can be take out the liquidity of this level, grab the liquidity of this level, and then can go up. You can see here there is a fair value gap ending here also, right? So first time it's come and goes up, then it's the second time like coming on this point of interest, right? It's mitigated fair value gap, but this is an all order block here, right? So you have to wait. So this is a liquidity sweep here, but I would like to sweep out the liquidity of this level also. So for that, gold should have to come down. In 1 minute chart, I can see the gold is coming down. So many buyers are here, like the change in state will be here. Let's wait for the confirmation, guys. I want multiple confirmation. As you know, I'm working on multiple confirmation, like, right? Gold is inside the ordered block area or the block area, so please wait, guys. There is a move in the gold right now, so I want change state here. There is a strong rejection also in the gold, as you know, guys. And what US 100 is doing, it's not going up. There is a rejection. It's trying to give the confirmation in 5-minute chart. You can see, guys, here there is a movement in the market right now, and just 1 minute left to close this candle. Here what I'll do, I'll go into the 1 minute time frame and I'll check the right level here, right? So what we can do, guys, we can go for long here at this level, or on this level, right? And we can keep your stop loss here, right? It's an 64 pips ASL here. There is a confirmation here, right? There is a confirmation here. We are going for a long, already go for a long, right? At this level, on this outer block area. So the target will be 1:2, which is here, right? Here is your stop loss. I don't want to say stop loss right now here, like the stop loss will be here or here, okay, because the downtrend and this is a support only, so because of that I have taken the trade just for small scalp. So what I'll do, I can keep my SL here, just I want to check like the movement current movement here of the gold, and after that I'll set my SL. Currently the SL and target is here only at this level. There is changing state in 3 minutes also right now, and 5 minutes already confirmed, right? And you can see there is a liquidity sweep in the 15 minutes also. Right now also there is a liquidity sweep. There is a few minutes remaining here to close this candle, this 15-minute candle. So this can be also a liquidity sweep here, right? So 3 liquidity sweeps are continuously we can able to see here in this trade, right? So because of that I have entered in this trade. So you guys also can enter, and this is the confirmation I'm looking for. US entry also correct, but there is a no confirmation, but right now there is a confirmation. Like I like those trade after taking the entry it goes up, not come down. So if come down, then I'll confirm this trade like it's have potential or not. Out of the liquidity of this level and trying to move up, right? So if my trade this, if you don't want to do scalp, then you can give the room to your stop loss here, right? Like 73 pips stop loss you can set, and according to that you can put your target here, right? Like that. There is a re-entry here once again. It's a small quantity because it's scalp, as you know guys, already I told you I'm going with small quantity because this is under retracement only, right? So there is a no big move here because there is a continuation of downside movement in the gold. There will be, it can be, right? So because of that, for long I'm keeping very small quantities here, and there will be a profit level like 50% profit level will be here. And 75% will be at this level. Okay, it's fine. If you are keeping stop loss here near below this level or below to this level, then you should have that profit booking levels different, right? Let's see. It's trying to move up right now. Again, gold gives the chance to enter in this trade, so those who are not enter, they can enter, right? It's a strong confirmation, right? Previously we don't have confirmation, but current we have multiple confirmations we have. So this is our 50% profit booking level. I hope gold will give the chance to book my 50% profit here. You see, after taking the trade goes in positive direction. So this type of trades have potential, but this type of trade don't have, like, they moves down. They can hit your stop loss. So what I'll do here, guys, my stop loss have, like, I would like to set here, and according to that my 1:2 will be here, right? So my 50% profit booking is at this level only, right? I told you, like, this is my 50% profit booking. Now I'm booked my 50% profit, yeah, right now here, and like I would like to book my 75% here at this level, right? Because I know there is a downtrend in this trade, right, in the gold. So this can be a just retracement, right? You can see the candle here, how the candle is. The 50% profit we have already booked here, right? 50% profit we already have booked here at this level, right? Okay, so I'm just keeping my stop loss here, right? And it's cost to cost right now. So it's a cost to cost because we have booked our 50% profit, so our SL is here near to cost, like on the cost, right? Already I have booked the profit here, 50%, as you know, guys. I can able to see the potential of each and every trade. So because of that, I'm doing the such kind of things in the trade, like, as you know, how I'm managing my trade, right? So this can be just retracement in the goal. Like you can see, this is a downtrend in the 15-minute also, like the previous change in state or change in structure is already done here, and this can be a retracement. So I just want to do small scalp here, so because of that I have entered in this trade, and at least 50% profit I able to book in this trade. Right now it's trying to come down, but I already booked the 50% profit here, as you know, guys. And my SL is on cost to cost, as you know. I trail my SL near to my cost, right? It's on cost only. It's on cost. It's still pending, right? It's still pending here. I need to check it's pending or not. Yeah, it's pending. It's pending, and I'm waiting currently for a best move here, right? There should be a move here. There should be a move. If gold will move from this level, then it's perfectly fine. We can get our 75% and 100% target level here, but I can't see able to I'm not able to see the potential in this trade. Like, there is a potential when the gold is move or continue upside from this level itself, but it's rejected from this level here, right here from this level. So maybe this can be a retracement, and after that gold will break this level to retrace here to break this level, like, right? So every market takes some retracement or consolidate at any level to break that particular level, right? And here it can be a retracement, like to break this level from bottom side. Let's see, guys, let's see. We have our trailing ESL on our cost, just near to our cost, you can say, and we already booked the 50% profit from this trade. We have taken this trade with multiple confirmation, right? Trying to move up. Let's see what will happen. It's trying to move. But there is a rejection here, right? It's trying to move up, guys. It's trying to move up, as you can see. Again, it's come to the 50% level. Those who are not booked their 50% in this trade, they can book right now. Market gives opportunity. You have to make gold of this opportunity, right? Because every time market will not give the opportunity. Now it came back to our 50% level once again. There is a movement in the market, you can see. So you guys can book your 50% now also. You have chance. You have chance, and you can make gold of your chance, right? By booking your 50% profit here. There is chances to get your target or levels, because there should be retracement near to this level, right? There should be, but we don't know how much gold will retrace here, okay, or it will reverse. We have taken the entry at strong support level by multiple confirmation. That's it. This is our setup, right? And we going with our setup, and because of that we able to book our 50% profit here, right? I want 75% and 100% also here, but on safe side I always go with profit booking, right guys? So many times here gold gives chance to book your profit, right? So now it's second attempt gold given you, and you should have to book your profit, right? Why I'm telling, because of that only, right? The main trend is in downside, and this can be a retracement, just an retracement. We have taken the trade of opposite direction of trend here, right? It's just small scalp with small quantities, right? How much we are getting here? Only 80 pips we are getting here. If we are hit your target, now we already book our 40 pips here, right? So we don't have to regret, right? We don't have to regret here, because already 50% in your pocket and your SL is on your cost. So you are not giving any single pay or rupees fee to your market, right? You are not giving single money to your market, because already you are put it your SL on the cost, and you already booked your 50% target. 40 pips you are already booked from your trade, right? Maybe this trade having potential from here, then you got your profit, you got your small profit, it's fine, but you are in profit. That is very, very important, right? You are not in loss, you are in green side, not in red. So that is very, very important. And always I am managing my trade. You are watching from day one like that only, right? So again came to near our cost, but we have keep our trailing SR near to our cost, right? It's secure. Now this time, if trying to break this level, then definitely it will go up, and there will be a huge big move in the gold. But it's failed now, then definitely come back and comes down. Market test your patience, and you should have your patience with you, right? I can see on top side there is a rejection in the market. If this candle is closed like that, it's a last minute for this candle, like it's closing like that, then there will be a chance like that there is a rejection from the top side. But I'm not thinking like that, like no, it's closed above this previous high, so maybe there is a chances to go up, right? This is not a rejection here. Let's see, guys. I'm waiting in this trade from a long time. So today this was our first trade, and this is the second and the last trade I'm going to do right now. It's going on right now actually, and we already booked our 50% profit. Here in this trade we are booked our 100% profit, right? What do you think, guys? What do you think? Tell me. Can gold move up or not? Or move down? It's just a retracement or it's a movement in the market for upside? Tell me, guys. What's your opinion? What is your analysis here right now? Tell me. We have already booked our 50% here, right? Gold gives two chance here to book your 50% profit. Let's wait for 75% and 100% also. Trying to move up again. Just gives a change state in 1 minute chart. Let's see. I would like to see what gold is going to do here. Having rejection, right? There is no movement in the gold right now. Oh my god, how much time it will take to close this trade? I have to go. I think there is no potential of gold to go move up, right? This is a retracement only, I think. Let's see, I'm waiting here strongly, like to close at my trade. Like I already have booked my 50% here, right? I want my profit, but I don't want to wait here right now. Like I have to go somewhere. I can wait, but it's long time. Like we are watching the market here. We have lots of patience, but let's see, guys. Maybe gold wants to check our patience, and we should have to prove to gold like we have lots of patience. We have 100% patience, right? Yeah. Now this is the magic of our patience, right, guys? This is the magic of our patience here, right? Gold give break out here, and it's moving towards our target, right? It's giving that 75% right now. Let's see, can we able to book our 75% profit here? I'm very excited to see here, guys. Still our stop loss is pending here at this level. It's, as you know, like here, it's here at this level, but it's near to our cost, so I have put this on cost only. Let's see, guys. Let's see. Gold is moving up. There is a movement in the gold. There should be no rejection. There should be a movement. Let's see. It's a new high, right, of current candle. Again, it's near to our 50% target level. Let's sweep out the liquidity of this level right now and trying to move down, trap the sellers here or buyers here. You can see Again, gold want to check the patience. I don't know how many times we have to prove to the market like we have 100% patience. Like every time you have to prove in the market like you have 100% patience, my traders, right? I hope you are getting my point. See, the 1 minute only, right? The patience testing is 1 minute. The red candle. Now see the value of patience, the magic of patience. Here is our the level of 75% profit booking, and I hope it will give chance to book that. Again, one more red candle is going to perform here, right? I think this is the zone where gold will try to move down or facing some rejection here. There is a movement, but I think there is a retracement from this point. Let's see, guys. In 5-minute chart, you can see there is a change in state is going on here, but there is a rejection. So let's see, I would like to check here like it's an rejection or this is a change in state here, right? Last minute is remaining to close this candle, remain, right? Let's see, guys, let's see. It should be a change in state, right? It should not be a rejection. It's 58.54 right now, and gold testing my patience a very lot. Last few seconds to close this 5-minute candle. It's closed, yeah, it's closed positively here, and this is an changing state here, so I hope there should be a small movement upside in the market, small movement to give our 75% to profit here, right? It's very near to our 75% profit booking level, and I'm strongly betting right here in the gold. There is a confirmation in 5-minute, right? Like changing state here, this area, and it just retest. Let's see 3-minute also. If it's 3-minute, there is a liquidity sweep, right? Let's see gold will give me to book my 75% profit or not. Already we have booked out 50% profit as right here only at 8:32 p.m. UTC plus 5:30, right, time. And from that point I'm just waiting to book my 75% profit or my CTC level here. Again, gold wants to test our patience here. I don't know how much time it's taking to test, or how many times gold testing our patience. A gold or any chart, don't know how many patience you have, guys, traders, right? You should have to prove your patience to the market for your target, or for your entry setup, and for your SL, stop loss, right? So then and then only you will get the rewards from the market. So I'm waiting here strongly for a little bit more retracement in the gold from above side. Like it should be 50% up to this level, right? Let's see, guys. This was my first trade and we got 100% profit here in this first trade. Now it's a second trade going on. It's a small scalp trade only, but it's testing my patience very lot. As you're watching, like we have entered in this one candle, right? 8:25 p.m. and it's currently 9 p.m. we're going to go now. So more than half hour I'm waiting here. Let's see, now gold should have to move up, otherwise it will come down. Let's see, guys, what do you think? Guys, tell me. Before hitting our trailing SL or profit levels, tell me, guys, what gold can do here. Those who are watching, tell me, guys, what will going to happen in the gold right now. This is a liquidity sweep, I can see here. So what I'm doing here, I'm protecting my profit here, like keeping my trailing SL here at this point on below to this small swing. Okay, because this is a liquidity sweep and I don't want to give anything on cost. I'll book something from the remaining lots. It can be 25%, right? It's just retracement, guys, and we can go for sale at this point, right? We can go for sale, but I don't have time right now. I'll not go for sale. I'm protecting my SL share into profitable area, and this is my last trade, right? This is my last trade here, and it's pending here right now. There is a change in state in 5 minutes right now, right? So this is one more confirmation here, like you can go for sell at this point, because this is a retracement, or because gold is moving down here on like this time frame, or you can see the picture of bigger time frame here, like this is a retracement, and this it can be continuation here, right? I just taken small scalp here, like If gold will not break the level at this time, then what I'll do, I'll book my all the profit here and 50% only, right? So I'll check that right now the gold having potential to break this level or not. So this is a 1 2 3 4th attempt here. And testing our patience here. What do you think, guys? Again, it's trying to move up and down like it's an roller coaster move actually. Now this time gold should break this level very quick and very fast. What is going on here? Gold is trying to trap each and everyone here maybe. It's very confusing level actually. There is no confirmation for downside in, you can see the 5-minute chart, right? Now this time maybe, but right now there is no any confirmation. It's down maybe. I can see again it's come down. Oh my god, I'm stuck here. What the hell is going on? We don't care, we have 50% profit in our pocket already, right? It's just behind our 75% profit level, right? Here is our 75% profit level and it's just behind, right? It just missed actually. What is going on here? I'm very hungry. I have to go hungry. I have to go for dinner somewhere. And gold is testing my patience right now. Why? I don't know, but it's testing. Like I put it my Excel here, initially it is here, and it was pending here, and it is pending here also. It's just below to my 75% profit booking level. After I got the 75%, I'll keep my Excel on 50%, right? Otherwise I'll book my all the profits here on 75% level. Let's see guys, what is the move of gold right now. I'm just very excited to look it. I'm hungry but not impatient. I have 100% patience, guys. Again, it's come to 50% profit booking level. Oh my god. Now this time again testing the patience. Gold is doing funny things here, guys. Now there is a movement in the gold. Now there is a movement, right, guys? I hope this time I can come out from this trade, right? You can see this is a strong selling. Yeah, it's fine, guys. We are done. We have booked our 50% profit and remaining here. So we are profitable in this trade. Now it's selling time. Now gold will try to come down from this point. Small scalp here, right? It's a big move we are captured here, and this is a small move we are captured here, right? So it's fine, but it's perfectly fine, guys, right? So please do subscribe and follow me. Definitely each and every day is for you, for learning new things in this channel. So you'll get each and everything in this channel, like how to take trades, how to get entries, how to manage your trade, right? Each and everything you'll get here, right? We booked our 50% profit here, and after that we are testing our patience here. Like it's just an experience, guys, and this type of experience you will get here only. So do follow and subscribe, guys. We will meet on Monday. Today's Friday, is last day, weekend. So enjoy your weekend, guys, and we will meet on Monday definitely on New York session only, like overlap of London and New York session, right? On at the time of US market opening after on 6 p.m. onwards, right? So till that, take care, bye bye, and love you all, traders.